All right, we're gonna demonstrate that pronated lat pull down. You can see how wide this sucker is in his pronated hands. You'll see this in the program with a lot of repetitions, and the tempo is usually 1 down, maybe a pause at the bottom, but 2 seconds up. Usually like 12 plus reps, so it's not too common. But let's first see how it's set up. It starts with his elbow straight, and then let's show some good demonstrations. So it's just working on, you want to cue this person, your student, to really feel it in their lats, right? So you can come behind them and squeeze through here, coach. You can also place your hands behind their elbow and cue them, press down to your elbows more so they get a little more contraction through here. So you can come here, keep pressing down my hands, push, push, good. And it's a good tempo like that. Eyes look straight ahead. So pronated lat pull down. Thank you, coach.